Fuck you. How about fuck you? Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Slimer. I'm gonna keep that in. But yeah, welcome back to another episode of Slimer. This is Sparkle77 with Bethany San. I was able to do that at the beginning of my episode, so we're just gonna do two of those. Yeah, so now we got 7 of those, 7 of the 7s. We're at day 24, and we have $11,000. I don't know what he's gonna do this episode. We don't really plan these things out. As you guys call
us plan?
I know, right? You guys saw last episode. We have a crap ton of stuff in the other world, and also we have, well, that lady multiplying our money now.
Let's see, I'm gonna go try doing something here.
Do we have a quantum thing?
Nope.
Not yet.
Okay. You do realize we can cheat the system now.
Why?
So it's every 10. you instead of doubling the crap ones, you always make sure to double the expensive ones. I don't want to get too fucking close to these guys.
Then go to the quantum one. Oh, and also make sure you feed them.
Do I do that or just piss Cody off? Hey, at least these ones can't escape.
Yeah, they can. They can explode, remember?
Yeah, but they have to be able to get up there on the net to explode.
True. I think these are just me. I don't know, it's right me.
Run it!
Yeah, just throw it out.
You get out of my sight, motherfucker! Yeah, that's gonna get annoying, I just realized.
Hey, we know exactly where we're putting those.
Now we're selling. How many quantum slimes we got? A lot. Or, sorry, quartz.
A lot. I think there's one's max on here. Almost.
Whee! Man, if they would have only implemented a hoverboard.
That would be cool. We also need rock.
Yep. We have 5 quantum quartz. No. Bad port. What else we got over here? We got 16, so I can get those up. 28. So 16, 28.
We also need rock quartz. We need everything quartz. We just put them all in there. Why are you being stingy?
But we still gotta get money.
That's what the other slimes down there are going to be used for.
Cody. The other slimes don't give us nearly fucking hell. Whee!
This is good.
Whee! Whee! Whee!
Hey, we're at 9 on the 7. Sweet, son. I don't think I've fed those things. I want to feed them.
Why are you so close? It's like you're whispering it. I want to feed them.
They're gonna kill us! Hey, come on.
Is there anything that requires radiation torch?
Or phosphor torches.
Yeah, I'll just put them in there. These are cheaper ports, so.
Just probably make sure. We can make. What'd you just buy? A drone? What the heck's the drone?
Help robotic can be programmed to buzz around your ranch and perform various tasks.
Thank fuck.
You know what's bad though?
Huh.
We gotta build Jellicent stuff first. Because it takes jellystone, hexacomb, mild honey, hunter plorts, which we got a ton, quantum plorts, and honey plorts.
Well,
So-
just put all the honey plorts and hunter plorts in there. Just go. I don't care if they're not going to give us the most money, but
Something gotta take veggie.
a lot of things take that. We got to just get more slimes. We got to fill up everything with just slimes. No, those are not veggie. I don't think.
That's pink.
Oh, I take everything.
Fuck.
Shoot it in there. We're gonna off quantum plorts. I'm gonna grab the pink things, or are you just gonna start selling?
I'm gonna start selling because I gotta come back here for more honey and more. Oh wait, I can take the honey right now. Just look at this.
What did this shit so much? Wait, can you program it to take the things?
I don't know.
Have you ever made it?
No, because like I said, I need to go get quantum slimes and then ended up dying.
You kept dying.
I chose to die.
You chose to die.
Fuck. Before I sell them, let's see if they. Oh, there's still something here. Of course.
I mean, we don't need that. Just sell all of it. We can.
Aww.
What? Huh? The honey isn't doing it.
Oh, the hunters will do it though.
Yeah.
So what's the weakest one right now? Rocks.
That is the rock. So just do that first.
Okay.
Just you do it.
It's not every 10. It's random.
Oh.
Because I had back to back.
Interesting. Well, we just made almost all of our money back.
Yeah, but we're about to lose it all on this too. Okay, they're empty.
Nothing else not. Nothing else is not. Why did we make so many of these explodable ones? grab the tabbies. One tabby plate. How is there a crystal pole in there?
I don't know. There was one in there where you freaking.
I don't remember. Just throw everything in there, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so it's just random based. Hi! Now what? Just got done feeding everything. Oh, you're making sure you're like screw everything else. Quantums are where it's at. Those are lemons. Are you okay? Is your mouth feeling alright? Oh. I would check the ones down there. And I don't know. No, they don't have food.
If they get out, oh fucking well. That's at the point I'm at.
Both are. What about the pinks? What about the pinks? I think you've already got all this, yeah. Both the pinks and... Oh, you got the pinks. They have food. Don't worry about them, they're good. You got some phase lemons up here. So everything's now covered to an extent, right?
We'll see.
Honey, quantum.
Alright, I have to go back there to go get more.
Dude, just wait. It just...
Shush.
You don't care, do you? I wonder what that thing can actually do, though. Like, can it actually do, like, everything that we do? Like, can it go around, pick up fruit, and deposit it? That would be cool if it could. Have one going around picking up plorts and depositing those. Have one going around picking up... picking up the food and depositing those. I think one of the pink slimes are out. We need those for the... So yeah, I think it was just the... It might have just been like there was too many of them in one area, maybe. No, weird.
That's okay. Love how everything in here is quantum.
Like, why not? Why not? Why can't it be quantum? Quantum all in one area. All the other normal slimes in different areas. Damn. 20K. You just did this too.
No, you did.
Oh, I did. Oh, check the other area, remember? For, I don't know what's in the other area, but... I don't even bother to put it in their corral anymore. I'm going to put it in the auto feeder. They're kind of an ass anyways. We might have a lot of chickens now. Mango.
that would actually taste in real life.
Mint and mango?
Yeah.
Well, so mint and mango. Put in mint and...
No, I'm saying, like, what minty mango would taste like.
No, you bite a mint, and then bite a mango.
Would it actually work, though, is the question, in
Why?
my opinion. Because mango...
I saw fucking chickens! I would keep some briar hens, because those don't spawn here. They're just... What are you gonna do with those?
Tabbies, motherfuckers.
Oh.
Are you fucking serious? I'm gone for 2 seconds. I looked at him in 2 seconds. She's like, back.
Eat up, please. I mean, Oka. They have stuff in their crop. Don't care, do you? Mint mango. They don't take it.
Yeah, they do. And they have no food. And I'd rather not try walking in there and feeding.
Alright, there we go. Everything should be good now. So, with 20,000, can you do anything at the I'm at the ranch?
Under 750.
Yeah. I mean, it's easy, but...
I'll do it just for the money.
We have 20,000.
You apparently don't realize how fast money goes in this game.
I do, but we don't need that much. We're like 700 is not gonna... Oh my.
I'm just gonna have to irritate anybody who wants me to pick up all of them.
Okay, yeah, I don't really care. That's a lot.
That was just one little burst.
And you also need a... What? You need a...
Veggie. Hey, you guys take fruit, right? You can have all these.
I need a... What?
Crystal and Hunter.
We get crystal here.
Somewhere.
Over there. And you got hunter here too, right?
No, honey slime. Okay.
You're gonna have to aim a lot higher. Yeah, a lot higher.
I'm gonna go to the area where I have to return back to because I know it's still full.
Yeah.
I thought I was talking about those.
Oh, you're talking about the pink? I gotta rather them make a crystal.
Why?
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 I mean, why not? I think it would be cool to see those fate. Those going in wells. Don't need anything besides the money. I guess deposit everything else into that. I almost made it. Remember, it's random, so it doesn't matter.
No, why is the Hunter port blocked out?
No, that's not.
Where is the Hunter port? Oh, right there.
Yeah, right there.
What the fuck are you? What the fuck are you? What the fuck are you? What the fuck are you?
Oh! Dang, she's stingy now. Oh, never mind.
No, she was waiting until I went to the cheaper one.
Apparently.
25,000.
Now what?
Everything should be up again.
Ooh, check what we haven't bought here. Oh, you're actually going here and doing this. Oh, weird. I don't have that unlocked yet.
So it's... Hey, get another
309.
9.
Remember, different pathways leaves you different abilities type of thing. Don't pull me. I don't know what that is. Oh, grenade. I think up here's the. What are you doing? Oh, you're waiting for your ability. I mean, do it when you come around. So there's one up there too. And one's up there.
Yeah, but I have no fucking energy.
Yeah, you just got some.
Oh, now I do.
You really suck at aiming.
Cody?
There's a lot in front of you, by the way. There's also a lot behind you. Better go in a different direction. Okay, that is so cheap.
Fuck, but I need a circle.
Makes sense, so you don't have to really do much. Okay, so you know. You know it's back, right?
You do realize it's a track, Cody. It goes around in circles.